In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and portable drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, weighing under 249 grams, which eliminates the need for FAA registration when flown recreationally. It features a remarkable 10 km transmission range, advanced OcuSync technology for enhanced connectivity, and is capable of withstanding winds up to 38 km per hour, ensuring stable flights in various conditions. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and the option to include additional batteries for a total of 93 minutes, users can capture stunning aerial footage at a video resolution of 2.7K and a still image resolution of 12 MP. The drone is equipped with user-friendly features, including one-button return and easy-to-use shooting templates in the DJI Fly app, allowing for seamless video creation and social media sharing. Its compact and foldable design makes it ideal for travel, while its intuitive controls make it accessible for all skill levels. Number 2. FIMI X8 Mini V2 Drone. The FIMI X8 Mini V2 is a versatile and user-friendly drone designed for adults, featuring an ultralight and foldable design that weighs just 245 grams. It boasts advanced capabilities such as a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stable aerial footage, a 2.5-inch stacked CMOS sensor for enhanced image quality in various lighting conditions, and the ability to capture stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, along with 12 MP still images. With a maximum video transmission range of 9 km, the drone utilizes a third-generation TDMA image transmission system for reliable connectivity and anti-interference performance. The intelligent flight battery offers an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, enabling users to explore and capture unique perspectives from the sky. Additionally, the drone's 4-star multimode GPS ensures accurate positioning and efficient flight, while its level 5 wind resistance allows for stable operation in challenging weather conditions. Ideal for beginners, the FIMI X8 Mini V2 combines ease of use with advanced features, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial photography and videography. Number 3. Ryze Tech Tello. The DJI Tello is a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and casual users, featuring a sleek white design. It boasts impressive photography capabilities with a 5MP camera that captures stunning 2592 by 1936 photos and HD 720p videos, making it easy to create professional-looking content. With a maximum flight time of 13 minutes and enhanced stability from its dual antennas, the Tello ensures a smooth flying experience. The drone is equipped with advanced technology, including a flight controller powered by DJI, allowing users to perform fun aerial tricks effortlessly. Ideal for those new to flying, the Tello comes with essential components such as propellers, battery, and a propeller removal tool, making it a complete package for aspiring drone enthusiasts. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an advanced drone designed for adults, featuring a compact and lightweight design that eliminates the need for registration in many regions, making it an ideal travel companion. This drone boasts impressive capabilities, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety, 4K, 60 FPS HDR video recording, and a 48 MP effective still resolution, allowing users to capture stunning visuals in various environments. With features like Active Track 360 degrees, users can effortlessly track subjects and create dynamic footage. The Mini 4 Pro also offers extended battery life for longer flights and a 20 km HD video transmission range for real-time aerial footage. Included components such as multiple cables, spare propellers, and a gimbal protector ensure a comprehensive user experience, making it suitable for all skill levels. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers high-quality results with ease. Number 5. EMAX Tinyhawk 2. The EMAX Tinyhawk 2 is an all-in-one FPV racing drone kit designed primarily for beginners, making it an ideal choice for kids and novice pilots. Weighing just 43.5 grams, this lightweight drone is compatible with both 1S and 2S batteries and features a powerful 200 mW video transmitter, VTX, for impressive performance. It comes equipped with an FRSKY receiver and offers stunning 1080p video capture resolution, ensuring a captivating flying experience. The package includes essential components such as propellers, a remote control, batteries, a camera, blades, and even 5.8 GHz goggles, making it ready for both indoor and outdoor flying adventures. With a battery capacity of 3000 mAh, the Tinyhawk 2 promises extended flight times and robust connectivity through USB technology.